This video demonstrates how to measure the workpiece's top surface Z-value using the probe. Move the spindle above the measurement position, keeping the ruby tip approximately 0 to 2 mm above the surface. Transfer the current XYZ coordinates into the G59 work offset. Select the Z-Plane program. Measure the workpiece's top surface Z value at the current spindle position, keeping the X and Y value unchanged. In automatic mode, load the program and execute it. You can see that the Z value of the workpiece top surface has been obtained.